How to manage weight effectively. Diet: consume balanced, portion-controlled meals with plenty of fruits, veggies, and lean proteins. Exercise: incorporate regular physical activity, including cardio and strength training. Hydration: stay adequately hydrated with water. Sleep: aim for 7 hours of quality sleep each night. Stress management: practice stress reduction techniques like meditation or yoga. Monitor: keep track of food intake and exercise for accountability. Support: seek guidance from a nutritionist or join a weight management group. Consistency: make gradual, sustainable changes for long-term success. Mindfulness: eat mindfully, paying attention to hunger and fullness cues. Health: focus, prioritize overall health and well-being over quick fixes or fad diets.